Let us draw another type of elliptical equations. Say the same type of equations as we discussed in our previous topic, that x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If b greater than a, that is, if b greater than a, that is, now what was b? B was the length of semi-minor axis in our previous discussion. If b greater than a, then the center of the ellipse is also at 0, 0. Is also at 0, 0. Now it will be like that. It is x, it is y. This type of equation. Okay. So it is 0, 0. It is our a, 0. It is minus a, 0. It is 0, b. It is 0, minus b. Okay. You all check that here 2b is greater than 2a. So the shape of the ellipse has only changed. Now let us discuss about the general form of an ellipse. General form. General form of an ellipse. Let the equation of an ellipse is x minus alpha square by a square plus y minus beta square by b square equals to 1. Okay. So the center of the ellipse will be at alpha comma beta. Center of the ellipse. You all check, you must remember that the center does not lie here at the origin. Center of the ellipse will be at alpha comma beta. And what are its axis? Its axis is x minus alpha equal to 0, that is x equal to alpha, and another axis is y minus beta equal to 0 or y equals to beta. Y equals to beta. So let us draw the equation in a graphical form. So it is x, it is y, it is origin 0, 0. Its center is at alpha comma beta, and the axis is x equal to alpha and y equal to beta. So this is the line, it represents the line x equal to alpha. Similarly, let this represents the line, it is y equal to beta. Because you all know that y equal to beta is a line which is parallel to the x-axis, and similarly x equal to alpha is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Now the ellipse will have the point of intersection with y-axis and x-axis. Okay, if you find that just if y equal to beta, then x minus alpha whole square by a square equal to 0. Equal to 0. If y equal to beta, then x minus alpha whole square by a square equal to 0. That means x equals to alpha. Okay. So it is the center of the ellipse. Now when y equal to 0, you just check. When y equal to 0 or y equal to beta, then let the equation of the ellipse is like that. So I am drawing it. It is of this form. It is of that form. So it never passes through the point alpha comma beta. Its center is only at the point alpha comma beta. So what are these points? These are the axes of the ellipse. You will find that if y equal to beta, if we put y equal to beta here, then x minus alpha square equal to a squared, or so these points will be alpha plus a comma beta, and that point will be the location of alpha minus a comma beta, and similarly the location of this point, it will be alpha comma beta minus b, and location of that point will be alpha comma beta plus b. So it is the corresponding equation of the ellipse. You can easily find out the coordinate of these points. 4 points I have written here. Suppose it is alpha plus a comma beta, it is alpha minus a comma beta, it is alpha comma beta plus b, it is alpha comma beta minus b, etc. You can simply find such equations. For example, I am taking that put y equals to beta, then x minus alpha whole square by a square, it is equals to 1, or x minus alpha square, it is equal to a square, or x minus alpha equal to plus minus a, or x equal to alpha plus minus a. So alpha plus a comma beta and alpha minus a comma beta will be the points of intersection of this ellipse with its generated or newly shifted axis, that is y equal to beta and x equal to alpha, that is that points. So it is alpha plus a comma beta and it is alpha minus a comma beta. Similarly, to check the point of intersection of the elliptical path with its new axis which is parallel to y axis, that is x equal to alpha, we can put here x equal to alpha and can find the corresponding values of y, that is the coordinates of those points of intersection of this elliptical path with the newly shifted its parallel to y axis, that is x equal to alpha line. Okay. Now let us draw a simple problem here. For example, let an equation of the curve is given by say 9x square. I am just 9x square minus 36x plus 4y square minus 24y plus 36 equal to 0. Say you have been asked to plot the curve represented by this equation: 9x square minus 36x plus 4y square minus 24y plus 36 equal to 0. And from your common sense, you can conclude first, it cannot be a circle. Because in the equation of the circle, simply I have seen that the coefficients of x square term and y square term are always 1. Here, if you just divide the entire equation by 9, then the coefficient of x square will be 1, but the coefficient of y square will be 4 by 9. So it cannot be a circle. Okay. This is the way I think for our preliminary discussion. Okay. Now let us write as 9x square minus 36x plus 36 plus 4y square minus 24y plus 36 minus 36 equal to 0. I am writing in this form. Let us check if this is quite okay. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 4 common, 4 into y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to 36. Okay. Then 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 4 into y minus 3 whole square equal to 36. So dividing both sides by 36, we have x minus 2 whole square by 4 plus y minus 3 whole square by 9 equals to 1. So it is a familiar equation of an ellipse. So this curve represents the equation of an ellipse. Now we have to plot that ellipse. So very much clear, its semi-major axis, its length, it is 2a equals to 4, or the length of semi-major axis is 2. So the length of the semi-major axis is 2, and what is the length of the semi-minor axis? 2b equals to 9, or b equals to 9 by 2. So it is clear that the length of the semi-minor axis is greater than the length of its major axis. Okay. Now the axis of the ellipse is x minus 2 equal to 0, that is x equal to 2, and y minus 3 equal to 0, that is y equals to 3. These are the equations of the axis of the ellipse. these are the equations of the axis of the ellipse. Now what is its center? Center of the ellipse will be at 2, 3. Center of the ellipse will be at 2, 3. So let us draw. And you all check that if we put x equal to 0 or y equal to 0, if we put x equal to 0 or y equal to 0, this equation is not satisfied. Okay, so the ellipse will never intersect x equal to 0 line, that is the positive y axis, or y equal to 0 line, that is the positive x axis. It will never intersect. So how to draw? Let it is x, it is y, it is our origin 0, 0. Okay, now this is an axis x equal to 2, suppose, and it is another axis. Let it is x equal to 2, this point is 2, it is 2, 0, so that this line is x equal to 2, this axis, and let it is 0, 3, so this line is the equation of y equals to 3. Okay, this line, it is y equals to 3, it is parallel to x axis. Now show the center of the ellipse is at 2, 3. Okay, center of the ellipse is at 2, 3. Now these are the new axis of the ellipse, and I have already checked that the length of the semi-minor axis is greater than length of the major axis. Okay, so equals to 2. Sorry, I have just done a slight mistake here. A square equals to 4, a equals to 2, and similarly, sorry, it was a y minus beta whole square by b square equals to 9, or b equals to 3. So length of the semi-major axis is 2, length of the semi-minor axis will be 3, or that is the length of the major axis will be 4, length of the minor axis will be 6. Okay, so that type of it should be. Okay, if you put y equal to 3 here, so it will be of the point. What will be the local coordinate of this point? It is 2, it is 3, it is again 3, so it is 2, 6. And what will be the coordinate of this point? It is 3, and it is again 2. Okay, so you can check the coordinate of these points of intersection here. It is 2, it is 3, it is also 3, it is 3, it is also 3. So this coordinate will be simply 2, 3 plus 3, that is 2, 6. Okay. Now, say to find out the coordinate of this point. Find out the coordinate of this point. We have already known that the equation of this line, it is parallel to x-axis, that is y equal to constant here, or it is the equation y equals to 3. It is the equation of the axis y equals to 3. So if we put y equal to 3 there, then I am getting x minus 2 whole square by 4 equals to 1, or x minus 2 whole square equals to 4, that is 2 square, or x minus 2 equals to plus minus 2, that is x equal to plus minus 2 plus 2, that is, it will give you x equal to 0 and 4. X equal to 0 and 4. Comma 4. And another point will be, and for this point I am taking y equals to 3. So the coordinates will be 0, 3 and 4, 3. 0, 3 and 4, 3. So it will be 4, 3. Okay. So you can find the coordinates of these points of intersection. Okay. Up to this today, and I shall back with the equation of hyperbola.